New generation of green lighting products has become the last chance for mankind to save the planet. Building the first brand of China LED whole industry chain, Yufing Group. As a leading brand in the field of LED lighting, Yufing Group has been focusing on the cause of environmental protection lighting, promoting modern green lighting with the attitude of the strength rising. Time goes by. Yufing Group has a total of 7 wholly owned or holding enterprises in Hong Kong, Taiwan, and the mainland. We officially launched 100,000 square meters Yufing Group's industry park with assertive access to the capital market and struggled towards 2 billion yuan of business objectives. Strategically, our group is engaged in LED chip, LED packaging, LED commercial lighting, LED industrial lighting, LED plant lighting, LED automotive lighting market. We formed a green lighting empire with full industrial chain advantages, aggregating the technical elites from Taiwan and Japan in the chip field. Until now, we have had more than 65% of the market share in LED high-power backlight. Yufing Group set up LED packaging division, having introduced well-known high-end R&D team from Taiwan. Meanwhile, Yufing Group has established a strong research center for chip solution, taking the chip efficacy to a whole new level, 100,000 level dust-free workshop, and has finally made up half of high-power lighting market. Our products are exported to more than 80 countries and regions around the world, with more than 50 patents at home and abroad. We also won the trust and long-term cooperation with many internationally renowned enterprises, such as German GM, France FedEx, Australia Iveco, and etc. Yufing Group, with its profession and strength, has created a new pattern for LED automotive lighting. At present, Yufing Group's LED auto lighting, with its unparalleled advantages, has become one of the preferred enterprises when car owners choose to upgrade their auto lighting. With many years of technical accumulation and strong industry chain advantages, Yufing Group has occupied an important position in the field of LED automotive lighting and quickly launched 3 major automotive lighting brands worldwide. Yufing Group's brand, with the most cost-effective products, with efficient and practical quality services, it provides convenience for the national circulation channels, allowing high-standard LED automotive lighting products to spread all over the country. CC Lot brand has successfully applied for the registration of brand trademarks in more than 40 countries and quickly entered the international market with a strong brand service competitiveness. Yufing Group is the only one company that has so far participated in making national and industrial standards of auto lighting in China. With its expertise in LED, Yufing Group works together with the expert groups of National Standards Development to develop and implement LED automotive lighting standards that comply with national and international regulations. Yufing Group has obtained many certifications, including E-Mark, DOT, ROHS, and IATF 16949. Through the 100,000 square meters of new self-owned industrial park, we will build a high-standard, high-quality LED automotive lighting product R&D production chain to ensure that the product quality reaches the international first-class level. Innovation is the first productivity of development. Yufing Group always puts the research and development in the first place. We have come up with the pioneering concept of intelligent LED automotive lighting and become the first company that developed 3-color intelligent LED automotive lighting products. The intelligent headlights can maximize the protection of the owner's safety when driving by switching to the safest lighting effects according to the different weather conditions. At the same time, Yufing Group has insured all the products with a quality commitment insurance of up to 10 million yuan in Ping An Insurance. In a further way, providing users with safer and more reliable protection. With the strength of mastering all the LED industry chain, with the concept of deep innovation and ultimate service, Yufing Group is providing the first-class products and services for car owners and customers, and manages to build the first group in the whole LED industry chain to create a bright future.